But one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a sign. I'm gonna wish I had a little heads up, maybe a little more time.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's me. It's currently, you can't see that, hold on. Slide over, panel. 3:13 on Friday, September 1st. And currently I'm sitting outside because I kind of wanted to update you guys on what's going on. So, of course, today is the first day of September. And that means I have 19 days until I move, which is terrifying. But this is not the actual first clip you'll have seen. You'll actually have seen the clip from last night, which was this really bad thunderstorm that we had. But it's blue skies, barely a cloud in them. It's gorgeous today, so I don't understand. But basically, what I'm doing is I'm working on packing everything for college and getting that ready to ship, because we're actually shipping all my stuff up there instead of like driving it up, and then I'm just gonna take the bus up there, which I don't want to do, but you know, it's whatevs. That's currently what's going on. I'm gonna go take you guys to show you how much I've packed already. Yeah. Okay, ignore the mess and noises. The dishes are going, the cooler's going. That's the only way we get heat here. We don't have like air conditioner, but these are all going. Plus that, plus there's one back there. So here's like bedding and storage. This is like a cooktop, some canvases and school supplies. This is like hangers and stuff. This one's a blanket and a canvas. This is my lamp and shower stuff. This has, let's see, what does the card say? It has my cooking pot, index cards, and business cards. And here we have more hangers. Back there, it's not packed yet. That's gonna be the last minute stuff. Then we still have, we're walking to my room now. We're still filling this with clothes. We still have to pack clothes to go. Those are my Nikes. Basically, this entire thing of jackets has to come off and go with me, because you have my sweater, my blazer, one of my hoodies, jacket, nice warm denim jacket because where I go it snows, then my leather jacket, my leather bomber jacket. So those all have to be packed and ready to go. There's a pile of clothes up here that has to go. I want to bring that game and that dictionary. The dictionary might stay home, but that game is definitely going with me because it's a fun way to make friends. We have the tripod, ignore the mess, packing of course. We have the tripod that has to go. We have stuff from my bed that has to go. My chalkboard. Somehow we gotta figure out how to bring my whiteboard. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's basically what's going on. Fun fact, this chalkboard and this chalkboard my dad actually made for me. So they're one of a kind. Nobody else has anything like it. Yeah. Besides that, we still have to pack up my backpack, my purse, all of that. Somehow got to do that in 19 days and still figure out how to shoot at least 2 movies. So it's gonna be an experience. And there's still more stuff out here. We're taking my Oli off. Yeah, got the, then here we got the makeup bag and all my important paperwork, laptop, boombox speaker, yeah, so that's all gotta come. Plus, there's just a lot. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit, I guess, when my dad gets here with the last package. It's later. I'm about to go hop in the shower because, well, let me just show you. See that? No, you probably don't. See that back there behind the tree? That's what we like to call a fire. Yep, that's right. Focus on me. Thank you. There's a fire. Smoke's red. Come down and get you guys another view of it. I don't know if it's good. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. That's smoke. Living in a place like this, you really have to worry about this a lot. And like, I've been dealing with this all my life, but it's just been getting closer and closer to home. I think that's my dad.
So look who got another box. She's gonna open it right here.
Don't mind the dirty table. I don't know if you can hold up. It's a bedding set, a comforter cover set, and like you have this adorable pattern, which I'm currently in love with. So bright and colorful, and then you have this one, which is technically this. It's so cute. And then over here is you didn't see that. Over here it says be beautiful, and yeah, there should be a comforter. Okay, I'm actually always out here, I guess, when I start the vlog clip, but today, oh god. Okay, you guys ready? You ready for this? Up here, all of that gray is fire, all of it. And then, if that wasn't enough, up here we have an incoming storm. So, there's just lots going on here. Yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? So it's later now. It's like probably 3:34ish. Just wanted to give you an update on the fire. So yeah,
Basically, you can see it a lot now, the smoke.
all that gray stuff, it's growing, it's getting disgusting. It's now coming up over the neighbor's house and back here. And yeah, so that's happening. Other than that, just hold on. Other than that, I just zoomed in on my face. Other than that, basically all I'm doing is playing on my computer. For some reason, it's not letting me like stream Greek, so I don't know. I might try on my phone or something. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys later.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. believe must die. We try hard, but we are so reckless. So it took time to recognize we are all filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree.